असम के बाद आज उपराष्ट्रपति एम वेंकैया नायडू मेघालय पहुंचे हैं, जहां उन्होंने राजधानी शिलांग के शिलांग दाओकी रोड यानी NH40 के विस्तार का शिलान्यास किया। इस दौरान राज्यपाल, मुख्यमंत्री व उप मुख्यमंत्री समेत कई आला अधिकारी उपस्थित थे। इस दौरान अपने संबोधन में उपराष्ट्रपति नायडू ने शिलांग दाओकी NH40 के विस्तार से होने वाले लाभ की जानकारी दी।
And a rich cultural diversity, Meghalaya has always played a key role in our national development. My warm greetings to the people of the state on this occasion. My dear sisters and brothers, this project to upgrade the highway is really a prestigious project and an important initiative of the Government of India. And this being executed, as was explained, with assistance from Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. It is expected to provide better connectivity in the region and provide a key link within the Northeast region as well as with our friendly neighbor, Bangladesh. This road will also give a fillip to the tourism industry in the state and help in the overall development of Meghalaya. Because connecting to Chittagong port, making it easy to travel, will definitely increase trade and commerce manyfold.
अपने संबोधन में उपराष्ट्रपति ने मेघालय में आगामी परियोजनाओं के बारे में बताया।
I'm also aware that many other projects such as the two-laning of Tura Dalu section, two-laning of the Ranikor Maheshkula Bhaghamara section, among others, are being planned and implemented in the state, in addition to the Shillong Western Bypass, which is at the planning stage. And you have also heard just now the Honorable Minister of Road Transport, Sri Nitin Gadkari, is favorably considering many of the other projects of the state of Meghalaya. And he was mentioning about the initiative taken by the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Konark Sangma, of bringing the need to have greater connectivity in this region, and the Government of India positively accepting this, many of these suggestions will definitely take the state towards the momentum for progress.
दूसरी ओर उन्होंने पूर्वोत्तर में कनेक्टिविटी पर जोर देते हुए केंद्र सरकार की भविष्य की परियोजनाओं से सभी को अवगत कराया।
In order to enhance the connectivity in other northeastern states region, the government have been implementing various projects under the Special Accelerated Road Development Program for Northeast, SARDP Northeast, and the Bharatmala Pariyojana. I am told about 3,850 kilometers have been already awarded and 2,850 kilometers completed under SARDP Northeast and the Bharatmala Pariyojana. 2,180 kilometers, 18 kilometers have been awarded and 4,541 kilometers have been completed so far. I compliment the Ministry of Road Transport. Sri Nitin Gadkari is a doer. He has a vision. Guiding the country, the Prime Minister wants to fast forward the development. And he has given a 3-line mantra: reform, perform, and transform. Transformation of the nation, transformation of the lives of the people. That is on the top agenda of the Prime Minister.
वहीं वे शाम 4 बजे पूर्वोत्तर परिषद की भूमिका पर आयोजित एक कार्यशाला में भाग लेंगे। आज रात वे राजभवन में ही ठहरेंगे। इसके बाद वे नागालैंड के दौरे पर जाएंगे।